friends, Namaskar. Welcome back to PoliGrill. Today I'll make chicken mozzarella pie. Pie recipes are not very familiar in India. It's very tasty and very easy to make. Just follow my recipe. Try once and you will know yourself. Take 3 cups all-purpose flour. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Mix very well. Add 1½ cup butter. Please remember, butter should be very cool. If required, add 1 teaspoon chilled water at a time. Kneading should be like this. Don't make very smooth dough. Now assemble and shape like this. Now rest for an hour in 2 separate air-free poly bag. Now keep in refrigerator for an hour. Now prepare the chicken. Normally in this recipe meatballs are used, but today I am showing a different way. Cut the boneless chicken pieces into smaller cubes like this. Heat 2 tablespoons white oil. Next add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Now chicken pieces. One teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder. Stir and cook. Next 1 tablespoon vinegar. Add 1 tablespoon tomato sauce. Mix very well. Salt to taste. Cook till water dries up. Chicken 80% ready. Now sprinkle 1 tablespoon corn flour. Mix very well. That's all. Chicken is ready. An hour passed. Now let me check the dough. Nice cool. It should remain as cool as possible. If required, put again in refrigerator. Now roll and spread to make a flatbread. Since I take 9-inch pie pan, so I make around 11-inch flatbread to cover the sides. If your pie pan is smaller, then make the flatbread according to your pan. Well, my flatbread is ready. Place over the pie pan like this. Now cut the excess portion. Give a nice shape with your fingertips. Now bake it in preheated oven in 180 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes baking, pie crust will look like this. Now put the fillings in it. First layer with pizza sauce. Now fill in chopped bell pepper and green peas. Put some chicken pieces. Next fill with chopped carrot and onion. Now fill with roast chicken. Add pre-boiled pasta. Now put mozzarella cheese. Now sprinkle little pepper powder. Now I will cover it with little design. Make another flatbread for cover. Now seal the edges like this. Well, my pie is ready. One more thing to do. Now little egg brush. Now bake for 45 minutes in 180 degrees centigrade. Wow, nice aroma of freshly baked pie all around. Look at my nicely baked pie. Now off the oven. Like baked items, then this is perfect for you. Stay tuned, more such recipes will come. Bye bye.